Hello everyone, today we make coconut meringue cookies. Only 5 ingredients required and few minutes of work. These are crispy and mouth-watering cookies. Super easy coconut cookies recipe. Two egg whites and a little salt. Sugar 140 grams. Whisk until stiff peaks form. 3 teaspoons cornstarch. Coconut flakes 70 grams. Add mixture to a piping bag. Place in the oven at 70 Celsius approx 45-60 minutes. These beautiful coconut meringue cookies are light as air, perfectly sweet and crunchy, and so easy to make. Thank you for watching.